Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Are you an IT professional looking to stay ahead of the game and expand your knowledge in the ever-evolving world of technology? Then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of quantum computing and the certification roadmap for IT professionals. So buckle up and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is quantum computing? It's a cutting-edge technology that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform complex computations at an incredibly fast speed. But why is it important for IT professionals to get certified in this field? Here's the key insight. Quantum computing is the future of computing. As traditional computing methods reach their limits, quantum computing offers a whole new level of processing power. This means that businesses and organizations will soon be looking for IT professionals who are skilled in this field, making it a valuable certification to have on your resume. So, what's the roadmap for getting certified in quantum computing? It all starts with the basics. You need to have a solid understanding of quantum mechanics and computer science principles. From there, you can move on to specific courses and certifications offered by reputable institutions. These courses will cover topics like quantum algorithms, quantum programming languages, and quantum hardware. But don't worry, you don't have to navigate this roadmap alone. Fastlane is here to help. Our expert instructors and comprehensive training materials will guide you through the certification process, ensuring that you have the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in the field of quantum computing. Now for the call to action. If you're ready to take your IT career to the next level and become a certified quantum computing professional, head to our website and check out our available courses. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech training content. We're constantly updating our channel with the latest tech trends and certification roadmaps to keep you ahead of the game. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Remember, the future of computing is quantum, and with Fastlane by your side, you'll be ready to conquer it. See you in the next video.